All right, welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about market shifts. And listen, the market's always changing, always cycling, and a lot of people get frustrated because they see something that's working. They kind of milk that setup. I mean, listen, milk the golden goose. I don't think that's the right way, but anyway, milk this setup as long as it sticks around. But then people often get frustrated because say like morning dip and reps go away for a little while and they come back. Now, all of the core patterns in the StocksToTrade system, they all continue to exist, always coming back, going away, coming back. And if you could focus on all of those setups and learn those setups, then you can always have those tools in your toolkit. Now, you can get frustrated when dip and rips kind of quiet down, or maybe you're an afternoon trader and you can get frustrated when VWAP hold afternoon breaks slow down, which they had been. So the crazy thing is that all these patterns cycle through, and if you're learning how to recognize these patterns, then you can maximize your opportunity. Now, the best way to do that is click that link below and check out our daily information sessions. And, we do these every single day. I do one, Rob Booker does one, Eric Slakew does them, Matt Monaco. Actually, the other day, we actually did 8 in one day, starting at 8 a.m. all the way up. I went till midnight. It was a Friday night. I did a 10 p.m. webinar for 2.5 hours, breaking all this stuff down in extreme detail. 100% free too. So check out those algorithmic trade alerts. Check out those webinars. Get on them. Take advantage of them. Okay, that being said, next what we want to talk about is what's working right now. Okay, flat out, morning dip and rips, very quiet. Afternoon and midday multi-day moves, hot, hot, hot. Day 3 surge, okay? Check out the day 3 surge. We've done many webinars on those. Bryce Toohey has done webinars on them. And I have a pretty amazing example of this right now. So today is February 21st, 2023. I'm probably going to mess up when I say Monday, Tuesday. Understand yesterday was President's Day, so the market was closed. So basically today is Monday for all intents and purposes. And a lot of these stocks I'm going to talk about, all the stocks I'm going to talk about are from the Friday watch list that I then send out every Sunday. So I run these scans Friday night, send out a Sunday scan, 100% free. You can also click that link and get that 100% free. And then the crazy thing is 4 out of 5 right now, 4 out of 5 are winners, okay? And they're all literally the exact same setup, okay? These are stocks that have hung around and then broke the day 1 high, day 3 surge style. Now, again, when I talk about people getting frustrated, listen, we love those morning plays. People love to make a few $100, maybe a few $1,000, be done by 10 a.m. and move on. But again, there's always a shift. When people are milking those, they tend to go away. In the afternoon and the predictable plays, I think these setups I'm going to talk about right now are actually the highest probability and the best for newer traders. So let's get started. Let's go over these and show you what to look for. And then the other thing I want to notice is look at the absolute destruction in the S&P 500. Okay, down 2% today. Oh, World War III. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Inflation, all the terrible news flow that affects real stocks. And I got 4 out of 5 winners, and we might not be done yet. It might be 5 out of 5 by the time the day ends. 4 out of 5 winners that were predicted in advance 2 days ago on Sunday. Okay, so let's start with AM. This was one. Let me zoom in on the chart. So right here's Thursday. So big move on Thursday. Pulls back, consolidates, grinds up on Friday. That's why it was on the radar. We know, especially when these stocks do these all-day orderly grinds, especially low floats, on Fridays, there's always going to be the number 1 watch on Monday, aka this week, Tuesday. Okay, so look at what happens when it breaks. And remember, this was on the watch list. This isn't cherry picking, okay? These are the 5 stocks from the weekend watches. I'm not picking out 5 random stocks and saying, hey, these are all day 3 surges. We're just going over predictable setups from 4 days ago, literally, okay? So anyway, breaks the highs from day 1 at 372, goes to 545. IBIO breaks that high, day 1 high of, let me get there. Basically, day 1 high at 2, broke through it, currently pulled back, but basing. This is a solid watch in the afternoon. And listen, if you traded the red to green this morning, it's up 26%. So that's what's great. Even if you missed the red to green, it's still up 26% from there and still setting up to break that 2 level later today or tomorrow. SRNE was just a beautiful one. Again, this morning goes red to green at 31 cents, goes up to 46 cents. That was like a 50% move predictable move. And again, grinding higher. If it breaks 46 cents, it then is going to be a continuation play yet again. Literally live right now from the weekend watch list, INZY, getting ready to break that day one high at 320. So, and again, also went red green at $6 or $6 at 289, up 6%. So that's how you can look for these trenders into the end of the week, and they become the best plays the following week, and they set up over and over again. And then the last one, listen, SOUN, artificial intelligence play. This is the one that quote unquote isn't a winner right now. Never went green, but guess what stock is sitting here just about 40 cents from the breakout level, and there's no AI news out there. Okay, this is an artificial intelligence play. We get an artificial intelligence headline, good chance this is going to break that 4 level and be off to the races again. So all of these stocks share common things. They're all big runners from early in the week that trended into Friday. They're all hot sectors. They're all relatively low float. I mean, some of them are a little higher float, but even SOUN, I mean, yeah, it's 100 million float, but it's still, just a few hundred million in the market cap. When we're talking about, versus like real stocks, still a small cap stock, still a small, relatively low float stock. And all of them, 4 out of 5 green, all of them 20, 30, 40, 50% moves, and still setting up into late of the week, other than SOUN, all on a day when the S&P is cratering down 2%. I mean, that's a big move on the S&P. So it shows you that you can plan for these setups. And then another one, like today, MOB. So MOB, many of you might have been on pre-market prep. We were like, hey, this is the number one play, Department of Defense contract, low float, good volume, et cetera, et cetera. This is setting up exactly like AMAM, IBIO, INZY, and SRNE. Big gain in pre-market, pulls back, consolidates, doesn't break out, okay, just holding, still up 44%, probably going to stay up 44%. All you do is set your alert at 275. When your alerts go off, you attack. And that's why I love this strategy for part-time traders, because the alerts do all the work, okay? You can set these alerts every single day. Be ready, be ready. Tomorrow there's going to be another runner, spikes up in pre, consolidates, trends into the close. You set that alert anytime during the day, and you can do them on your phone. You can do them on your desktop, do them anywhere, okay? Basically, every broker, I'm biased towards StocksToTrade, but every iPhone app, every brokerage account allows you to set price alerts, every single one of them. You can set the alerts at the day one high, and you can attack these day 3 surges, and you can still make great trades and make money even when everybody's crying about no morning plays. Crying about a setup going away doesn't bring it back. All it does is distract you from other potential profitable trades. That's what we do every day in those live info sessions. Click that link, get on them, join me, Matt Monaco, Rob Booker, Eric Slayke, Bryce Stewie, multiple webinars a day, all 100% live, all through the day, even on weekends and even at night. Again, I did one at 10 p.m. on Friday night the other night. You want to get on a 10 p.m. webinar, ask questions and learn, or you want to be lazy and go to the club and never make any money trading? You got 2 paths. Which way, my son? Which way? Which way? Which path will you choose? Mediocrity, losing, frustration, or getting better, faster, smarter, stronger, and accomplishing all your dreams? Choose your path, my friends, and we'll see you next time.